Today we'll create another type of AI video, one that can also be monetized. First, take a look at this channel. It's an amazing channel. Even though it has uploaded only 96 videos, it already has 1.12 million subscribers. Its views are also in the millions, and some videos have crossed 110 plus million views. For example, this video has 114 million views. You can see it here. This channel makes AI videos, and you can create videos just like this too. But the big question is this channel monetized or not? The answer is yes, this channel is monetized, and I'll show you the proof. What you need to do is simply copy the link or the name of the channel so you can study it and learn. Once you copy the channel link or name, go to YouTube Social Blade and paste it there. When you do this, you'll see the channel's stats right in front of you. For example, the income from the last 14 days shows between 12K to 193K. That's nearly $200,000. And yes, this channel is monetized. This means you too can create videos like this and start earning money from your work easily. Important: watch every part of this video carefully. Don't skip any section, otherwise you won't fully understand the process. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now let's get started. First, go to the YouTube channel where you want to make the video. On that channel's computer, open the snipping tool. Crop the image the way you want. Save it. Next, open ChatGPT. Upload the image, and then type this. Make me exactly this kind of image prompt in HD. Give me 6 image prompt. ChatGPT creates excellent high-quality image prompts. These are some of the best prompts for making HD images. It depends on you. ChatGPT can generate as many image prompts as you want. I usually take only 6 just to explain the process. After that, we will also take prompts for AI video creation, meaning converting images into video. This way we can easily use them to make AI videos. Now I will write it down. Now I want to make AI videos from these 6 image prompts. Create separate AI video prompts for all 6 so ChatGPT will also give you AI video prompts from these images, which we can easily use to turn the images into videos. For making AI images, we will use the website Leonardo.ai. It's a great platform for creating AI images. Open the site, set the size to 0.9 and select FIOX 1.0. Then paste the prompt like this. After a short while, the image will start generating. You need to paste your prompts one by one until all of them are processed. Once done, you'll see the images have been created, and they look amazing. Leonardo.ai is one of the best AI image generators, known for producing high-quality, detailed, and visually stunning images with incredible ease. It combines powerful tools and advanced AI technology to help artists, designers, and creators bring their ideas to life in just a few clicks. Whether you want realistic artwork, cinematic visuals, or unique creative concepts, Leonardo.ai delivers professional results effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface, fast performance, and limitless creative options, makes the entire design process smoother, faster, and more inspiring for everyone. This way, the AI images have been created. By using this website, you can make AI images easily, and now the images are ready. Next, we will create AI voice for free. There's a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free at Unlimited AI Tools. On this site, you can also create free AI images. But right now, I'll show you how to generate AI voices. If you can't find the tool, just leave me a comment and I'll share the link with you. This tool gives free daily credits so you can make AI voices without cost. Believe me, it works great. Now open the AI text-to-speech generator. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the tool. Then select any voice you like. There are many options. Blaze Alex is the best one, but just to explain, I'll select any random voice. Click Generate, and remember, the tool can generate up to 1,000 words at one time. If your script is longer, split it into 4 parts to create the complete voice. Now the AI voice is ready. You can listen to it.
Rolls of fat, sitting shirtless in a vast, endless field of ripe red tomatoes under a
This is how we create AI voice. Next, we'll move on to making the AI video. For making AI videos, we will use 2 websites. With these websites, you can create AI videos daily. Each site allows you to make one video per day, completely free and very easily. The first website is called Diggin.ai. It's an excellent platform for creating AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 300 free credits, which are enough to make about 10 videos. After that, it continues to provide daily credits so you can keep creating videos easily. Right now, you can see that I have over 3,900 credits in my account. That's because I've been logging in for many days and the credits kept adding up. With this balance, I can make a lot of videos. If you want to create more AI videos, Diggin.ai is a great option for you. The best part is that even if you don't actively use it, the website keeps giving you automatic daily credits, just like it did with my account. Now let's create an AI video on this website. It's a really good platform. Click on Create, then go to Upload and first upload your image. After that, take the first image prompt and paste it. Click on Generate and the video will start processing. In the same way, upload your second image, paste its prompt, and click Generate again. The video will begin creating. It takes a little time. This way, you can make 2 videos together on this site, each around 10 to 15 minutes long. The second website is called Pixverse.ai. It's another excellent platform for making AI videos, and it's one of the best tools for creating real, cinematic-style AI videos easily. At the start, it gives you 120 free credits. Previously, it was only 80. With these 120 credits, you can create about 6 videos very easily. After that, the site provides daily credits, which allow you to make around 3 free videos every day. Overall, Pixverse.ai is a very powerful and reliable tool for creating AI videos. Here, I click on the option, upload the first image and paste its prompt. Creating one video costs 20 credits, and after a short while, the AI video will start generating. You can see it yourself. It doesn't take too long. This website is really great for making AI videos. You can create 3 free videos daily, and the results are amazing. The AI videos come out excellent and very impressive. This way, you can see that AI videos have now been created on both websites. The videos turned out really amazing and impressive. The last step is editing the video using CapCut. It's an excellent software for video editing. Easy to use, free, and full of features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I adjust the audio and video settings, and if you want, you can also add background music of your choice. It all depends on how you use the effects. Adding the right ones will make your video even better. I'll add some effects here, and now my video is fully ready. You can see the final result. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, leave a comment and I'll reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time I'll share another method with you. Thanks again for watching.